That's pretty good.
Nice.
Very nice.
Very good.
What happened here, Adam?
Okay, so as the mechanic I am, I've never checked the brakes on this.
Oh, as one does.
Yes, as one does not.
No. It's very bright outside today.
Yes. So I was driving, hit the brakes really hard. They didn't really work. And then I was like, fuck. Started making a grinding sound as I was driving. So I pulled over, looked at my brake, and if you look at the brake,
Is it you leave it in there?
the brake pad,
You haven't touched it since?
there's the brake pad, there is the caliper.
Wow, that's optimal.
So the brake pad came out of the caliper, and so I drove home using the e-brake, and the brake didn't fall out anymore.
E-brake
So-
also doesn't work, right?
Yeah, the e-brake barely worked, so it was really sketchy, and it's auto, so I was like downshifting the auto to like slow down a bit. It was kind of scary.
Well, that's sick.
So I was gonna buy full pads and rotors for the whole car and do everything. But then I
But
realized,
guess what? He's selling it.
yeah, I'm selling this car.
What's new?
Yeah, so we just bought front pads because fuck it. And we're just gonna toss those in and just do that because we like to half-ass stuff. Get your half-ass stickers at www.moistboys.co. And yeah, so let's do these front brake pads.
Side note, if you end up buying this car, you should probably change
Yeah,
all the brakes.
that's someone else's problem by my
That's all
calculation. All right, Noah says he's the brake expert too, so
Yeah, dude. I've done this once.
I guess we gotta bust the nuts before we do anything else.
Bust them up.
Juan, bust your nuts.
Wow.
See that strip?
That was cool.
Yeah.
Actually, a fucking 2-second job now. Don't worry about it,
I'm
alright?
gonna lift the coil over. Look at this jacking surface.
I'm no expert, but these look too big. I don't know.
Well,
Maybe it's just me.
They're probably the wrong size because Lordco always screws us. When have we ever gotten something that was the right part from Lordco?
Never. Not even once.
That's true. Okay, let's see how this brake looks. Oh, that's not ideal.
Ooh.
So yeah, I drove it home like that.
Zooey mama.
Ain't that some shit? So there's the brake pad. Now normally this should be inside the brake, but it's not. Ain't that some shit? There we go. Bust that nut, Noah.
Okay, I'll try.
Okay.
I'm going in, man.
Jesus. Really getting her going, huh?
Now we can inspect the damages, man.
Alright.
Yours is weird, like mine.
Is yours ABS?
Yeah, but like your piston's like fully opened for some reason. Maybe that's probably just a thing, but I don't know how we're gonna push the piston in. Cause mine are like screw in. Yours must be like fucking the press in or whatever the fuck. See, like. Well.
Yeah, see? Like there's the metal part. And then here's the actual braking surface that came off of it.
Oh, dude, because there's. Oh yeah, there's a brake pad right here.
So that's how it's supposed to be. But they broke. Is that a lot bigger than this one?
No, they're the right ones. Okay. Fuck those things.
Oh, you need those?
They're already in there.
We're using the old ones?
Fucking mint, man.
Like you should be doing rotors with this, but I wasn't able to get rotors in the time frame because of Rona.
Good enough. What? No.
Jesus.
Wait, so they couldn't get you like anything?
No, they couldn't get any rotors. I need to sell this car. So, we're just doing the pads.
Wow. We're gonna need like, do you have a vise or something?
Oh, these rotors are so bad.
Fucking decent. That's what mine were like. I just put the new pads on.
Yeah, what the fuck? Look at these people driving on the street, man. No fucking respect.
Look at the studio. Okay. So I reckon.
Oh my god, it's so much darker down here.
Fuck's sake. Do you want to hold the caliper?
Yeah, I'm listening. Yeah, it's going in. Now the piston is compressed. Can it go on?
Yep.
Yeah, this is actually fucked that this pad broke in half.
That's pretty fucked.
Like, where's the safeties, man?
It's not ideal. Okay, new pads are in. Calipers tightened down. Stock wheels are going on.
This car's getting sold. Alright, so once you have your new brake pad on, okay, the studio, man, come on. I'm so stoked. Okay, once you have your new brake on your wheel on, you want to do a sound test?
Sounds pretty good to me.
She sounds gritty enough, because you want like friction on your brakes all the time, so you don't get going too fast. So yeah, I would say that's like pretty much mint. This guy's chooching. Hi. Actually, can't really see anything, so let's do it outside.
We need a cameraman, man.
I know. We need Colby.
Looking for a cameraman. We're not gonna pay you shit,
ISO free
but
camera.
you get to hang out with the boys, which is probably, I don't even know if that's a good thing.
Negative. Negative value. I was like, who are you talking to? I realized
Dude, what is this from?
Huh?
Was that on the other one?
Oh, the other one was falling apart. Oh, yeah. The thing in the middle?
Yeah.
There's some pads that are like that. So I think there's different pads. No, this one has it too. It's just really worn down. I think that's the wear marker. Once that's away.
Oh yeah, it starts to squeal. Oh, it's really moving.
It's kind of swing. Sell it.
Are you like, bleeding?
Yeah, I could probably get like 16 grand. What?
Are you bleeding?
I don't think so. Why?
There's like a chunk of. Oh, never mind. I think it was a leaf. I can't imagine like spending money on a Subaru.
Can't imagine spending money on a 1992 Nissan.
Yeah.
It's all fucking waste.
Tell me why.
Ain't nothing better than tell me why.
No, but like, I can't imagine like buying a Subaru and then like dumping money into it.
Yeah. Me and Us got that Subaru once. But we made money off of it.
The guys that bought that were so dumb.
Were you there or something?
Yeah, I was with you.
No, I didn't sell it. Oscar sold it.
What's the car that was like yours, but you said it was your brother's and he was in Thailand or something?
Oh, I said that? Well, like every car sold.
Huh.
Oh yeah, you were with me. What car was that? Oh, these wheels are so tits, dude. I'm glad we got rid of those ugly Longchamps, dude.
Yeah, those things were terrible.
These look so tits, dude.
It really does look so much better.
I know. Like, look at that. That compared to that, are you kidding me?
So good.
Night and day.
Actually.
Night and day.
Apparently we can't do anything right.
It's rubbing heavy because these tires are so much bigger. So we gotta lift, jack it up again, lift the front end. Like, listen to this.
redo everything we just did.
Alright.
Yeah.
You go ahead. You go ahead.
Fuck's sake, man.
Alright, so we got the new brake pads in, got the stock steering wheel in. We're gonna do a moose test because when you do brakes here in Canada, you are legally have to do a moose test. So let's get her going.
It's just right in front of Octavio's, isn't it?
Moose!
Oh, yeah. Pretty good.
She's good to go. Alright, well there you have it. The sick new wheels are on the whip. They look fucking fire, don't they, Noah?
Oh, no doubt. They look really good.
Yeah, so fire. Glad we got rid of those old nasty mags.
Yeah.
They're fucking ugly. But yeah, so the reason why we did that is because I'm selling the car. Getting something way sicker than a Snicker. So yeah, fucking stay tuned for that. Because today is Wednesday. Should be getting that Saturday. Yeah. Comment. What should they comment? What's the biggest animal you've ever hit? Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, comment how much sicker the wheels we have now on the S13 were than those piece of shit Longchamps that were on it. Drop that below. Also give this video a like, right there. Hit it. And subscribe for more content on everything, like Noah's S13 and the car we will be getting in roughly a couple days. But yeah.
Wow.
Yes.
Skidoo.